Hello from Coimbatore. Here in this video, I am sharing my food experience from my recent trip to Coimbatore. To have delicious, authentic South Indian food in Coimbatore, you should visit this place right in front of Coimbatore Railway Station. The name of the hotel is Ranis. This hotel is exactly right in front of Coimbatore railway station, and here I have relished each and every dishes I had ordered. They have got n number of dishes in their food menu and the rate is so reasonable. I am so fond of South Indian food and I was going crazy over food menu. Here I had ordered idli, dosa, uttappa, upma, idiyappam, and in dosas also I had ordered varieties of dosas, and all the dishes I had ordered, they were amazing. Here is the menu for your quick reference, and you can just go through the food items. They were so reasonable in price. So do not miss to have food here in Ranis Hotel in front of Coimbatore railway station. And for more such informative videos, do like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, that is Rathore Nisha Jivraj. Thank you very much for watching this video.